Welcome back to Tech Guy Naresh. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Check the video description for more details. Copy the link. Paste it in your browser. And download the zip file. Extract the downloaded zip file, open the folder, and copy all the folders, paste under Documents, Rainmeter under Skins folder. Open the Stream application. And search for Wallpaper Engine. To proceed further, please purchase and download this application and then click on Use Now. Open the Wallpaper Engine app and go to Workshop. And search for One Piece Zoro 60 FPS. Please subscribe same wallpaper as I am subscribing and then set it as a desktop background wallpaper. After that, open the Rainmeter application and load the following skins. Also make sure that all these skins position should be on the desktop. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Bye.